check properly. Is the name adopted for a next of kin correct? She won't call that that. Or the person that has been inputted there as your next of kin, you don't like that person. We cannot change it. Next of kin. You can always change that one with your PFA. You can feel another person's name there. The address where you live is also written there. You must have moved from that address to a new place. It doesn't disturb anything. Okay? Don't complain about that. It doesn't mean. What matters most is your name, your sex, date of birth, PIN number. All those things must be correct, tally with what you have with your PFA and with what you know. Then finally, the value is also written there. The value of the bond is written in figure and in words. You are satisfied that the bond certificate belongs to you. If you have any cause to doubt the figure, quickly compare it with somebody of your level. However, women, don't compare your own with men own, even if you are at the same level. There's always a variance of value in women bond and men bond. So, compare it with your compare it with your obìnrin. Compare and don't age and then compare because this value has to do with various parameters. The age is considered. The number of years you serve before you retire is considered. So, àfi tó bá ní ẹni tó jẹ́ pé the same thing lẹ́jọ́ jẹ́ lówó ilé ìjọba ọ̀nà. Nítorí dé yìí kẹ́ni yẹn lọ́wọ́. This bond certificate now varies. We have the bond certificate for those in the mainstream, Civil Service Commission, ministry, all ministries, secondary teacher, Teaching Service Commission, Health Service Commission. They are in the same rank. We call it mainstream. We call their certificate Lagos State Retirement Bond Certificate. Then we have certificates for people in the local government and SUBE primary school teachers. We call their own Lagos State Local Government Bond Certificate. Okay? Now, this certificate, there are some that have just one page. There are some that have front and back. For most people in mainstream, but everybody in mainstream, tempo and all those stuff, they will have front page. That is, if all your life has been spent in the mainstream, you have front page. But if you have spent a particular time with the local government and moved to the mainstream, within that period, then you have a value for local government while you are there. You also have a value for state government while you are there. However, for most primary school teachers and local governments, SUBE generally, most they have front and back page. Why? Before January 1st, 1991, it was the responsibility of the local government to pay entitlement, of the state government to pay entitlement of teachers. Then from January 1st, 1991, it became the responsibility of the local government. So if you have been in services that from that period, definitely you will have, before that period, you will have state side and local government side. Now, also, if you serve in Lagos State mainstream or local government, and you also serve in Lagos State parastatals, water corporation, printing corporation, LTDAs, and all the polytechnics, you are supposed to have 2 pages because you serve in the mainstream and you also serve in parastatal. However, by law, the parastatals are expected to pay pension of their staff. they are well subvented. Oh, you're going to save the whole, I will not san owó yẹn. So such people too, we have what we call apportionment. We apportion it. Time tẹ wà ní printing, owó ti printing ló máa san. Ìgbà tẹ wá join state máa san yẹn. Irú ẹni bẹ́ẹ̀ apportionment ló máa ní. Also, if you serve in Lagos State and you also serve in another state, there was a transfer of service. Most of you women, le máa ṣe transfer of service too. Àwọn ọkùnrin àti sábà lọ báyàwó ìyàwó ló máa wá ń bá wa torí wọn trust wa. Wọ́n máa wá sí bó pèlè lọ́wọ́ 170 máa ní torí ọkọ mi ni mo ṣe wá sẹ́kù. Torí ọkọ ní ọmọ lọ́wọ́. Ṣé ẹ lè gbọ́ máa ń lè fún náà yín? Ṣé ẹ lè gbọ́ máa ń lè fún náà yín lọ́tọ̀? Ẹ máa sọ pé torí ọmọ torí ọkọ ni. So you will also have an apportionment. So your birth certificate will have an attachment. Ìwé kan máa lẹ̀wé kan mọ́. A máa lẹ̀wé kan mọ́ létí. Ìwé tá a máa lẹ̀wọ́ létí yẹn, òun ni apportionment pé owó iṣẹ́ tẹ ṣe nílùú yẹn, òun nìyẹn o. We have calculated everything, but we are only paying the Lagos State portion. So once you receive your bond, tó bá ní agbádá létí, agbádá lè máa ń pè, agbádá ọkọ yín, ẹ̀hún lálẹ́ mọ́. Tó bá ti ní létí, òun ni apportionment iṣẹ́ tẹ ṣe ní ìlú yẹn. Torí ní ìlú Èkó ń bí ìgbéga làwọn wà fún. Àti pé ìgbéga ní Èkó kẹ̀lẹ̀ rí, àjùmọ̀ṣe gbogbo wa ni. So ẹni tí ò bá ṣe ń di pẹpẹ, kò lè jẹ́ ń di pẹpẹ. Ìlú Ìbàdàn lẹ ti sìn wọ́n, Ìbàdàn ló máa sàn yẹn. Èyí tẹ́ ṣe lẹ́kọ̀ọ́, Èkó á fún yín. The good thing about it is that you are not supposed to wait for that value of that state before you process the one Lagos State is paying you. You can process the one Lagos State is paying you while you wait for the one for other states. Ṣé gbọ́? But how will you get the one of that state? That apportionment letter ta lẹ̀mọ́ lẹ́yìn yẹn, you are now going to bring it back later to LASPEC with the address of those that are responsible to pay your pension in that state. Make sure the address is correct and it's properly addressed. Like if in your state you use Anambra Pension Board, Kilometer 5, Iweka Road, Onitsha, or Ogun State Pension Bureau, or Ondo State Pension Commission. No, when you are going to seek, look at it. Look at how the birth certificate looks like. Yes, this one is Lagos State Local Government birth certificate. This person has spent all her life in the local government. You can see it doesn't have anything at the back. But it has an attachment. This attachment, this person is coming from Ondo State to Lagos State. And he or she, is it she? She, no. She has spent about 10 years in Ondo State before she realized that her husband may marry another wife and run to him. And spent 14 years in Lagos State, making a total number of 25 years, so adding the months. Which means that 10 years money is going to be paid by Ondo, while the only 14 years is being paid by Lagos State. So this person is expected to provide the address of Ondo State Pension Commission. It is very easy. The other one is easy because you can easily get it online. Because they also use pension commission like Lagos State. So when you give us the address, we will now, our Director General will now sign a covering letter stating that this person has served meritoriously for so many years, and Lagos State has calculated all our money, and we have redeemed our own money into our retirement savings account. Kindly, as a matter of urgency, pay this person what is due to her. We will now attach this computation sheet that shows the value they are supposed to pay you. You will now take, once you submit it to the address, you will be asked to come back and pick it after the date you have signed. When you pick the letter, you will now take it yourself to the place. To the end of what Àwa kọ́ la bá yín wá ẹ̀yin lè máa lọ gbowó yín, but don't go with empty stomach. How do I mean? Ẹ kọ́kọ́ process ìdèkùn náà kẹ̀sì máa rí kankan gbà náà. Nǹkan tó pè ní nǹkan tẹ́lẹ̀ bá jẹ́ ẹ̀ gbé fún ìtumọ̀ ẹ̀ gángan nìyẹn o. You have the Lagos State bond process yẹ tó sure o wa lọ lé èyí tó yẹ pé ẹ̀ mọ̀gbà tó máa jáde ẹ̀ wá fẹ́ máa lé lọ láì gbà yẹn. Ó dàbí ẹ̀ ló ta tẹ́tẹ́ ni o. Owó oṣù ẹ̀ tó sure ó gbà ó wà lọ fi ta tẹ́tẹ́ tí ó sure. So what makes you think? I don't want to say that. Process this one and start collecting it. Then you will have the grace to go and say, Ọlọ́run, mo ti dúpẹ́ ti dẹ́kọ̀ fún mi. Ẹ kọ́kọ́ dúpẹ́ yẹn náà. Tẹ́ ẹ bá process ẹ̀ mú rẹ̀ yẹn. Àpò dúpẹ́ yìí tó ṣe o. Tó tẹ́lẹ̀ mi sí èkó ti fún mi tèmi. Mo bá tún fẹ́ lọ gbà tó ń do. Ọlọ́run fún mi lórí ọ̀fẹ́ kí n rí gbà. Bọ́dé òbí gbẹ̀gẹ̀ máa sọ ní ti lẹ́tà ayélujára sẹ̀. Òbí gbẹ̀gẹ̀ máa kà sọ́wọ́. Ṣùgbọ́n ẹ̀ lọ pẹ̀lú inú dídùn. So that's what you are going to do for those that we have an attachment. So at the end of the day, whether your bond has an attachment or not, whether it is front and back, whether it is just one page, where are you going to take the bond to? It's going to your PFA. When are you going to take it to your PFA? And with what? You are going to take this bond certificate to your PFA when you receive an alert. Which alert? The alert that the value on this bond has been credited into your retirement savings account. And when will that alert come? That's only when you receive alert. We will not say what we cannot do. The alert will come in. Today is Friday. From next week, the alert will start coming in. But because we said, check the certificate, ensure that there is no error. The error I think they correct the schedule of payment. Because for every error we correct on the schedule of payment, we have on the bond certificate, we have to correct it on the schedule of payment before we send it. Tabati Joni, lady tí o sí error, tí o sí any complaint. Monday tí o sí complaint, I process it. And the bond, the money will be credited to your custodian, and the custodian will in turn notify the PFA. Then all of you receive alert. The most important thing is that we will not pay bond in January if you have not received your own, because we pay bond every month. But because you are lucky to fall in December, ìyẹn lè ṣe wà lórí ìjáborí láti pẹ̀lú fún yín. Ó fàájì sí pọ̀lẹ́ sí máa ṣe. Torí tí ẹ tó bá ń bá láyọ̀yọ̀, ayọ̀ tí ẹ náà máa kún ni. The pamphlet they gave you have the difference between the program withdrawal and the annuity there. You are all our mothers and our teachers. Gbogbo yìí tẹ̀lé kàwé lẹ́kọ̀ọ́wé. Abẹ́kọ̀ọ́, so ẹ kà dáadáa, kẹ́tù béèrè àwọn ìyàwó àwọn àbí wọ́n dá yóò gbogbo béèrè yìí. Lágbára Ọlọ́run, àwa la wà ń bí. I want
to welcome you warmly to this occasion. Today is not a day of long speeches. Honestly, it's for us to identify with you, to celebrate with you, and to just say, thank God for your lives. We are indeed very grateful to the Almighty God that you are here today. Wípé àfẹ́lómi ìṣe ọpẹ́ ni fún Olúwa. Wípé fúnra ara yín lè fẹ́ wá fọwọ́ ara yín gbẹ̀tọ̀ yín. Ọpẹ́ ni f'Olúwa. And orin kan wá àti kọrin o, but ẹni ọjọ́ ayọ̀ níná ìjà máa jó dáadáa. Ṣùgbọ́n wípé àfẹ́lómi ìṣe yín lẹ́ni, wọ́n máa bá mi kọrin ọpẹ́ tó wá from my heart. It's coming from my heart. Ó ní lọ́jọ́ ayọ̀ mi, ọjọ́ ayọ̀ mi, lọ́jọ́ ayọ̀ mi. Ó ní lọ́jọ́ ayọ̀ mi, lọ́jọ́ ayọ̀ mi, lọ́jọ́ ayọ̀ mi. As a retiree, you are supposed to be doing more of what you are doing today. You have to make yourselves happy. That's the only way you can live long, to enjoy what you have come to collect. Kì í ṣe pé kẹ́ máa jókòó, kẹ́ máa ronú, kẹ́ máa complain. No, just make yourself happy. And that is why it is with great joy that I want to welcome you here today. This event has been put together to celebrate you, This is the Christmas season, and so I want to wish each and every one of you Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year in advance. As you are well aware, today you have come here to collect your retirement bond certificates. Many of you have been waiting. Like I mentioned earlier on, we have in this room today 2016 retirees from this local government and SUBEB. But in the mainstream, we have 2017 retirees. And of course, we have some people in this room who probably retired in 2019 or 2018, but they are sick and they need to, with their own hands, collect their entitlements. So we have processed their payments and they are also here as well. So that's why we are saying today is actually a day of joy for you. It's a day of joy because most of you have money sitting in your retirement savings account. You know, from April 2007, the government has consistently, without wavering for 1 month, ensured that your retirement savings account is credited with the 7 annual contributions by the state government and of course from your own salary. That is what the law says, 15% contributions. And from April 2007, these contributions have consistently been credited into your account. So most of you, after you retired, you probably expected that at least if what government did not make provision for before, that is the accrued rights, what you labored for before the commencement of the new scheme, at least let me start this one. Let me start receiving pensions from this one. Some of us probably felt like that. But one thing is this, and under the new dispensation, right, this contributory pension scheme dispensation, your contributions, everything that has to do with your pension has to sit in one pot, which is your retirement savings account. Tí èyí tí ẹ wá gbà lẹ́ni yìí tí ò bá wọbẹ̀ kò sí bọ́n ṣe máa process pensions fún yín, kò dẹ̀ sí bọ́n ṣe máa calculate lump sum fún yín. You will agree with me pé tọ́n bá jẹ́ kẹ́ gbà tí bí yẹn tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ lump sum yẹn máa kéré gan. Eléyìí ni ètò jẹ́ ètò tóbi jù nù ẹ̀. So tí tọ́n bá da méjèèjì pọ̀ ẹ lè rí owó gọbọyì gbà láti ṣe nǹkan tẹ́ bá fẹ́ ṣe tẹ́ bá retire. And of course your pensions will be a lot higher and there won't be issues. Because we have had issues with some of people whom we have paid and other states now later paid them. And the National Pension Commission is refusing to allow them to draw additional lump sum. And is saying all the monies must be used to pay pension. Meanwhile, if everything had gone there together, you would have been allowed to draw a bigger lump sum. So it's actually in your best interest what the law has said that everything must sit in that pot for you to collect your entitlement. And that is what has brought you to this stage today. There are people who joined service after April 2007. They are not here today. For those kind of people who joined after April 2007, all their contributions were sitting in their account. Immediately they retired, they became pensioners because the money was there. But for those of you who had service under the pay-as-you-go scheme, that money must go in. So people who joined after April 2007, they are not here. They are already pensioners. But for you that had entitlements under the discontinued pay-as-you-go scheme, the money is huge. We would need over 200 billion to be able to pay all the obligations. But the truth of the matter is systematically we have been paying it month by month, and we are hopeful to get to a point before the end of this administration. The Honorable Commissioner is here, she will bear me witness. A lot of work has been done to ensure that even before, well before the end of this administration, we will get to a point where people, when they retire, they will have their entitlements not later than 2 months later. That is what we are inching towards. So please just tell all your colleagues who are not here today, but I can assure you that most likely by January 2020, we will get to 2017 of SUBEB as well, because we have actually cleared most people in SUBEB. And for mainstream, we are well advanced in 2017. And very soon, like I said, before the end of this year, I am sure this government is going to spring surprises for each and every one of you. So please just tell your colleagues, relax. Owó yín ni ẹ̀yin lẹ ṣiṣẹ́ fún. Ẹ má fúnra yín ní fọ́, ẹ má gbé ẹ̀mí ara yín gbóná. Just relax. Ẹ̀yin lẹ ṣiṣẹ́. ẹ̀yin lè dẹ̀ máa fọwọ́ ara yín gbẹ̀tọ̀ yín ní agbára Olúwa a nífẹ̀ẹ́ lómi ìṣe yín ní ọjọ́ tí ò ní. Be that as it may, Ọlọ́run ló kájọ́, Ọlọ́run ló lọ́jọ́, òun ló wà wá sílé ayé, òun ló mọ̀ bàtà wọkọ̀ wá sílé ayé, òun ló dẹ̀ mọ̀ bàtà máa jáde. So it's not a matter of pé èèyàn kan kú bóyá ibi ló bá nò, àkọọ́lẹ̀ ni, àkọọ́lẹ̀ olúkálukú ọ̀tọ̀ọ̀tọ̀ kó dẹ̀ lè tàsé. So we have some people here who are probably representing people who worked and the person has died and they are here to collect their entitlement. If you are here representing somebody that is late, can I just see your hand up? Just 2 people. Just 2 out of this large number. Please, can we give the government a round of applause? So we are just saying, yes, we know that this is Lagos. Lagos is the center of excellence. It's not the center of excellence for nothing. It is people like you who have made Lagos what it is. And we can never forget that. So, just tell yourself, Lagos appreciates you. On behalf of His Excellency, Mr. Governor, sorry. On behalf of Mr. Governor, Mr. Babajide Sanwo-Olu, I am saying thank you for your service to Lagos State. And it is my prayer that what you have come here to do and to collect today, it shall be permanent in your hands. Gbogbo blue buses tẹ̀ rí yẹn kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ máa ṣeré jáde kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ló máa wọ̀ kẹ́ máa wọlé kẹ́ máa jáde ọ̀dọ́ a máa fi táàgì sí o ẹnì máa wọlé ju ẹ̀mejì lọ lójúmọ́ o but at least ilé máa jáde jẹ́jẹ́. So let me quickly continue. About 4 weeks ago, I would say precisely about 3 weeks ago, we gathered into this hall a total number of 428 retirees. And we paid accrued rights of 1.51 billion. In this hall today, we have 321 retirees whose accrued rights of 1.62 billion is being credited into your retirement savings account. Let me assure you that this administration is totally committed to your comfort in life out of office. The proposal, I must also say that we appreciate the unflinching support of our pension fund administrators and insurance companies at ensuring that you have unhindered access to your retirement savings account. Let me also say something here. You may, after you collect your bond certificate, if you have any challenge with a PFA, please kindly let us know. I don't expect to see the male amongst us here, the men. Most of you have children, you are not grandparents, so you can sing. No, it's not your portion. Relax with the weather. Play music, a joke, a kegba. One man, no shop at the morning. I must go down. Want to go. What if we are buying what about the so now for you, Biriwa, a joke. Mothers, grandmas, please take care of your husbands. I know that most of us, we love our grandchildren. After lọ tọ́jú àwọn ọmọ wa ṣùgbọ́n má jẹ́ ká fi bàbá sílẹ̀ lé èyí tá à ń wọ́n wò ta yẹn gan èyí táwa gan fà náà ló pọ̀ jù so ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ tọ́jú kò sẹ́ tó ní kẹ́ má lọ tọ́jú ọmọ wọn but ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ tọ́jú lé ní first ẹ máa bójú ẹ̀yìn kẹ́ mọ̀ pé dájú wà lé ó lè dàbẹ́ pé wọ́n tọ́jú nígbà kan kẹ́rẹ́ lẹ fẹ́ lọ jókòó tọmọ and things like that but never forget that you have somebody at home. And also, this is not owó ta fẹ́ gbà lé ní kí ṣòwò aṣọ ẹbí o kì dé ṣòwò kẹlọ máa fi ra plastic kéèyàn máa ha pati àwọn èèyàn ń ha plastic mọ́ anyway so just keep your money and just make sure you have a good rest in retirement. I can assure you that Lagos will be better and you are the ones that will make it better by staying off the streets and living a good life in retirement. Ìgbéga ìlú Èkó àjùmọ̀ṣe wa ni o. Thank you very much. And I want to sing that song tí mo fẹ́ kẹ́ máa kọ ní retirement. Àìmásíkò ló ń dààmú ẹ̀dá. Èmi ni lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ nínú agenda. Èmi yóò máa làlùyọ ọdún yìí tó lọ. Èmi ni lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ nínú agenda. Èmi yóò máa làlùyọ ọdún yìí tó lọ.
Oga. Retired Permanent Secretary, Mrs. Sakila here. Directors here present. The Isoletos. Isoleto. E-Africa. So I recognize you. Directors, NASPEC, top government functionaries, the celebrants, gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen. I am here to read the good news message on behalf of the head of service, our very energetic, lovable, and amiable head of service, Mr. Akim Mori Okwana, HMO. It is my pleasure to be in your midst today and to heartily congratulate you all for your participation in this documentation ceremony, which is an affirmation of the fact that you all have served the state meritoriously and are poised to execute the public service with honor and dignity. The very high premium that the state government places on the welfare of its members and staff, serving and retired public servants alike, is a conscious and deliberate policy which underlines its recognition and appreciates the critical contribution of its workforce to her widely acknowledged leadership position and status as the center of excellence. This ceremony for workers who retired from the Lagos State Public Service is one of the approaches of government to closely relate with pensioners in a more relaxed atmosphere. Listen to their comments and suggestions. On the one hand and on the other, create a point of reunion for old colleagues and friends who, like this person,